let's proceed to the amazing frozen lake.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my first.
O diba, hindi na natin kailangan gumastos para sa travel pagpunta ng Uedo Ice Park. This only requires your sense of adventure para makatagpo ka ng sarili mong ice park. Solo mo pa, di ba?
Oh, ice skating kuno nga lang.
Our current temperature is negative 10 degrees Celsius.
Dahan-dahan lang, baka biglang mag-crack. Tapos dumiretso tayo sa ilalim nito, kabayan.
There's magic coursing throughout my veins.